Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from Plaza Paitilla Inn and Avenida Italia Paitilla, Panama City. So this is the first time I'm staying here at Plaza Paitilla Inn. I've seen the hotel on online a million times. And today I decided to actually book it. Logistical reasons, but so far so good actually. The check-in was very smooth, very helpful staff. We're in room number 1015. The views are fantastic. Yeah, the bathroom is very nice. Nice and clean, modern. Everything that you need is here. So yeah, room 1015, 2 double beds. Water, fridge, desk, little seating area, AC. I really like the floor actually. The floor is really nice. Turn that on. Yeah, it's a very modern room, very nice. Big TV. And then look at the views, guys. And it happens to be sunset right now, so pretty special. And you can see the pool from here. That's the pool. Looks good. And then you have Avenida Balboa right there. Conveniently located. Yeah, beautiful views, can't complain. Sunset, can't complain. And yeah, the room is great. Honestly, so far so good. Service was good at the check-in, as I said. Have you guys stayed here before at this hotel? Where do you guys stay when you come to Panama City? That's what I would want to know. Do you have any recommendations on maybe a good value hotel to stay? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching, and peace.